Code Dog.
Dopsy Tile.
Car owner.
What up, Derek Pocarina?
So you know what, Derek? I'm gonna put this bad boy on you because you paid for it. Man, awesome job out there. You gotta feel good about it. Second place, still not bad, man. Not top of the box, but just finishing this bad boy is something else, right?
Yeah, it was a hard course. A lot of fast cars. All three on the podium are Jake's Fabler's cars, so you know they're set up right and they have the right parts. And Derek did an awesome job prepping the car. He put a lot of work in his car. He does it in his own garage. So DRP Prep did an awesome job and gave us the opportunity to get second place. So thanks, Derek.
So Derek, I know you're putting a lot of time and money into it. Who helps you out, man?
This guy right here, Christian Fessler. We used this race to pre-run for tomorrow's race. We're second in points right now from Parker, so we're looking for a good day tomorrow. And tomorrow's the race that really counts, but we'll take this one too.
I was gonna say a second place ain't too shabby.
Yeah.
Right on, give it up for him right there, second place in your 5,000 class.